Hey guys, I haven't made a trash finds video in a while, but I just found this last night. Briggs & Stratton. They don't have a horsepower rating on here. It had been sitting at the neighbor's house for quite a while. They said it wouldn't shut off, but the cord was broke, so I took it off. I'll have to make another switch for this like I did with my other mower. I haven't made a video of that yet. I'll show you guys that real quick. Here it is. Found this thing in the trash. It says Garden Pride 20-inch. Look at this thing and you'd think it would never work. I just cut my yard with it last night. It works perfect. And I think just that rust and the look that, oh, that thing would never work, makes it even cooler. I do have to replace this pin here, because it was popping out as I was cutting grass yesterday. See, it's coming out of that side. I don't know if there's just a pin you put in or something. But anyway, I had to take that off because that rusted and broke off. So I made this cord here. It stays tight over here, and whenever you want to shut it off, you lift the handle up, and then you push it over. And I do have another mower project going on. It's a 2-horsepower engine that I found at a swap meet, and I'm putting it on the deck that the engine of the mini mower came off of. Yes, it needs a little carb work, so I'm not gonna show you guys anything until I get it running, so I know it's it has a chance of being a successful project. But this is it's a pretty good lawnmower, with the exception of the wheel rusting out, but I can fix that. I've fixed things like that before. If I could find a wheel adjuster, I could put it in that top hole there and just have the wheel on a different height adjustment than all the others. It does run. So I think next week when the grass needs cut again, I'm gonna have this thing all fixed up, and I'll be testing this out. Has the bag on it, and I'll bag my grass. But I might bag it just to see how it works. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I have a lot more videos to come. I'm just too lazy to upload them.